program. Which one's you? Second? Yeah. Okay, so you're gonna edit there, and there you are. Okay?
And then how can I?
When you're done, compare it to your partner. Make sure you're in the same spot. Okay. Michael, you need some more time? My kids are going to a friend's house after school today. I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna fall asleep on my couch so hard, and I'm so excited about it. You have no idea. I'm gonna put on some nonsense TV that I'm gonna immediately ignore and fall asleep for like 2 hard hours. And I'm thrilled. I'm thrilled about it. Okay, are we ready?
Do you just have those days when you're so tired and you go to your bed and you just don't feel tired anymore?
As a single parent, I don't really get to sleep when I want to sleep, unless they're also sleeping. Because usually Zandy will come in and be like, "Mom, are you sleeping?" And I'm like, "Oh, nope, what's up?" He's like, "Okay, well, I gotta tell you a really important thing that just happened in the show I'm watching." Thank you, because it's an emergency. Did you know that? I'm like, okay, go on. Now, the funny thing about your calculator is that calculators are stupid. Now, want to hear something really hilarious? Listen, if we just stop the program right now, here's what your calculator would do. It would ask you what A, B, and C are, and then it would calculate E, and it would calculate F, but it wouldn't tell you what they are, because calculators are stupid. And unless you say, "Can you tell me the answer?" the calculator literally will run this program and say, "What's A?" You say A, and it says, "What's B?" You say B, it says, "What's C?" You say C, and then it says, "Done." So we have to say, "Display the answers." So you're gonna hit the program key, go to I/O. We're picking number 3 this time, the one that says DISP for display. And we're going to ask it to display E and F, which we had saved as our answers. Again, you can make any program you want to from now on. So you can make this any program you want. You always have to say what you're asking for, what variables you want to go into the program. You say what the equation is, you store it as a certain letter, and then you hit display. Do you erase your whole program? Okay. We're going to try it, and I'm going to come back and help you. Okay, everybody hit second quit. Terrifying, isn't it? You feel like you've just lost everything? It's still there. Okay, now we're going to hit program. What do you think these say? This is execute, which does not mean murder. Phil thinks I'm killing it today. It means that we're going to run the program, we're going to execute the program. This means we're editing the program, and this means you're creating a new program. So you're going to hit enter on execute. If you did your program right, it's going to say, what's A? We're going to try this one over here. Do you remember that the first thing that Carly did was got it all on the same side? So everybody type in -4 for A, 1 for B. So -4, enter. 1 for B and 3 for C. And then hit enter, and if your program works right, you should get 1 and -3/4.
Yeah.
-4. Remember, it has to be a negative, can't be a -4, because calculators are stupid. What, is it a +3? See how it says done there? If you didn't say display, it would just say done. And you'd be like, okay, so you tell me what it is? All right, whose program failed? You're not raising your hand, okay. We're good? Totally works? You look very sad for a program working, Taylor. Are you okay? Okay. How are we doing, Philip? Did his program work? Try it.
What does it work?
Hit program. Execute. Enter. Type in -4 for A.
I messed up the one.
1 for B and 3 for C. Okay. All right. So instead of using the quadratic formula, instead of factoring, let's solve 6 and 7 and 8 by just typing it in. Isn't it fun being smart? It sucks one time when you have to write the program. All right, execute your program, everybody. We're on the back side of this worksheet I gave you. Enter 2, 7, 6. X equals, I got -1.5 and 2. Would anybody prefer to factor it? Do the quadratic formula by hand?
What? We got -2.
Oh. Oh, I got -2 as well. My bad. Everybody got -2? -1.5, -2?
So what's A? 2 is what?
A is 2. B is 7. C is 6.
2.
Try the next one. Make sure you get the same answer as your partner.
Yeah. Thanks, that's not all. Cool.
-12. I got 3 and -0.8. How about you guys? All right, let's try it one more time. What's the A for this one?